Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stripe Atlas login issues, account verification errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Stripe Atlas due to account verification, begin by ensuring that you are using the correct email address associated with your Stripe Atlas account. Double-check your password to make sure there are no typos or incorrect characters. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email address. Next, check your email for the password reset link and make sure to look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. After resetting your password, attempt to log in again using your updated credentials. If you still encounter verification errors, review any recent notifications or emails from Stripe regarding your account status. Sometimes, account verification issues may arise from incomplete or outdated information. Log into your Stripe dashboard, if possible, and check if there are any alerts or requests for missing documentation. If you are prompted to verify your identity, provide the necessary documents as requested. Ensure that you are using a supported web browser. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in once more. If you continue to face issues, consider trying a different device or browser. Contact Stripe support directly for further assistance if none of the above steps resolve the problem. Be prepared to provide details about the errors you are experiencing to help expedite the support process. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be on your way to resolving your login issues with Stripe Atlas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.